Hey everybody, I am happy and super excited to announce that I, along with some other people, are creating a custom RPG experience for you guys to enjoy. It's very early in the process. Ooh, look at the sun. It's very early in the process, but we have some basic, well, I say we, it's mostly my basic ideas. I actually approached some people on the Pocket Pixel server because I had this idea for a Minecraft RPG, and they're like, let's do it. Give us your ideas, we'll get a build team together, we'll get some game programmers together, and we're gonna do this. And so it's happening, and it's like a dream right now. I don't think I've had so many ideas for Minecraft RPGs that I've wanted to put out there. I just haven't had the resources or the know-how. That's it. I was gonna say the know-it-all. That probably makes the know-how. The know-how is good. To implement them, and now I have a team of people willing to help me do this. So I'm super pumped. First of all, let me just give you a basic outline of what the story is. We're gonna have a story. It's not gonna be like, you know, log in, go shoot some things, gain some experience points, and that's it. We're gonna have a story. So the story basically is, it's gonna be a infection, like a worldwide infection sort of thing, in the near future, maybe even present day sort of stuff. So you're basically a guy who is waking from a coma, and during your coma, the world has become infected. 95% of the population has died or turned into some sort of horrible creature, sort of like zombies, mostly like zombies, but there's going to be different types of zombies. And it all takes place in this sort of like downtown metropolis sort of thing. And it's gonna be so much fun, I hope. We're gonna have guns, we're gonna have designated PvP zones, we're gonna have leveling and all this stuff. We're gonna have classes, it's gonna be great. Most RPG servers I've played on are sort of medievally. So I figured I wanted to put a twist on it, and I've always wanted to put a twist on it. I want to do something in the future, or in present time, using modern technologies in a modern place, like a city. And here's where I need your help. As you can see, the city's already been built. Well, most of it has anyway. I say this is like the bones of what we're gonna do here. This is actually a publicly available map made by, I got the guy's name here, Daxmatic, who I've tried to contact on Twitter, but he doesn't follow me, so I can't private message him on Twitter. Maybe I'll try a YouTube message. But anyway, he made this map and it's publicly available. I'll put links to everything I talk about in the description. I want this to be an experience that everybody can share. So if you want to go and download this map, you are free to do so. We're gonna use this as our I guess our base. This is our base, and then we're gonna add things to it. I don't want to go too much into detail on what we have planned already. Like I said, there's gonna be classes and PvP zones and looting and leveling and all this kind of cool stuff. In fact, they are currently, when I say they, Pocket Pixels is currently hiring a build team and some game designers. So if you want to apply, again, those links in the description if you want to go check that out. I'm going to be keeping track of everything going on and documenting it, hopefully in YouTube videos, so you guys can be a part of it. You guys can be like involved in the whole thing. And we need your ideas. And that's the reason for this very first video. This, as you can see, I've already mentioned, this is the city we'll be using by Daxmatic. Very cool city. This needs to go. There are no F1 cars in post-infection days or in pre-infection days. There are no F1 cars on the road. However, this is a pretty cool build. I like this. Anyway, we need your help. So there will be eventually a custom texture pack. I should mention, this is all going to be vanilla too, so you're going to sign on to the server, you're going to be able to play without having to download anything. That's the plan, at least. Hopefully that does not change. I am not a developer or anything like that, so hopefully I have that right, and I didn't just throw them under the bus. But we need your help in making this city look like it's been, I would say, 10 years, maybe more, maybe 20 years without any sort of maintenance, because again, 95% of the population dead due to some horrific disease. Some people died, some turned into terrible things, zombies, ghouls, looking stuff, whatever you want to call it. I need your help to make this city look beaten down, run down, sort of weathered. I know vines are a good thing, trees growing in random places are a good thing. Again, we're going to have texture packs so we can make stuff look dirty. We were thinking having cars on the street on fire, maybe overturned, stuff like that. Having like hot dog stands, even like abandoned hot dog stands, street vendors somewhere, stuff like that. But I'm only one man and there are thousands and thousands of you, so I'm sure, 100% sure, that you can come up with ideas that I haven't even thought of. Look at this parking lot. I can't wait to just be like creeping around this parking lot with my sniper rifle and then shooting some unsuspecting ghoul right in the face. Or if this is a PvP zone, shooting maybe one of you guys in the face. If you don't like the way things look now, again, we're gonna be using a texture pack, so things are gonna change in terms of the texture. So this is not gonna be a wool building; it's gonna be something else. But the general structure of this city is gonna remain intact. We might be building some other stuff. We might be tearing down some other stuff as we see fit. But the general thing, the general idea, is right here. So let me know in the comments. First of all, let me know if this is a good idea. I think it's a great idea. Most RPG servers I've played have been medievally based. A couple of, like Dungeon Realms and Minecraft, have all been like medievally based. And then if you play a game like MineZ, was it? I think it was called. It has sort of the idea we're going for, but it's out in like villages and the open towns and stuff like that, and not really my thing. With this idea, here's my thinking of it. This map, by the way, is massive. However, if you add the verticality of the map, we're gonna try to finish each floor, by the way, of every building. Hopefully, some of them will probably be closed initially because it's gonna be tough to get every single one of these finished. Let me try to find one with some actual floors that are intact. I think this one here had beds. Some of them are like completely furnished. No, it was not this one. For example, this is an office building. You can see there are desks, there are chairs, there are plants. The perfect office building. That hole I made. Oh no, that's the skylight. This is the hole I made to get in here. And there are stairs going down. Now this might seem like a small space, but there are like, how many of these things here? Let me see if I can get back up through this hole here. There are, get up! I suck at like creative stuff. Okay, look at how many floors there are. So you can theoretically have dozens of players, maybe about a dozen players, I'd say, in this same building, occupying pretty much the same space without even knowing that there's someone else in the building. This would not take place in the other RPG servers where everything is basically an open line of sight to where people are. You can see people coming from a mile away. This also adds a cool dimension in terms of mobs, because mobs can be just around the corner. Like you can be like, hold on, let me get in here. You could be at your chair here, sitting down, doing your office work, which you would not do in a post-apocalyptic or post-zombie virus type of scenario. And a mob can just come out of the corner here and slash your face off. So that would suck. But I think it adds a really cool element to it, and I'm, again, so excited, guys. I'm gonna keep this video short. To conclude, we need ideas on what to do. Like this huge area here, like what do we do with this? We have to build something here. Something's gotta happen. Maybe this is the spot where, when the virus first broke out, maybe they built some bunkers here. This is maybe a medical tent waiting at the outside of this very important building. I don't know. Maybe that's what it is. So leave your ideas in the comments if you want to download the map, and if you want to actually show me what you have in mind, you can tweet. I guess I need a hashtag for this. Let's go with hashtag beef Minecraft RPG. Let's do that. Beef Minecraft RPG. We don't have a name for it yet. We do have the classes set out that I actually created myself with special abilities per class. There's just a lot to talk about. Oh, there's also a park and like a forest outside the city. So if city dwelling is not for you, you can choose to live out here, and we will have some builds in here too. And again, let me know what you'd like to see here. Maybe some cabins, maybe some tents, stuff like that. Maybe a boathouse along the shore here. Ideas that could be implemented into I say our because I'm going to try to involve you guys as much as possible, our RPG game that we are building almost from scratch. The only part that's not from scratch is this map, thanks to Daxmatic. I keep looking up his name. I don't want to get it wrong. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. I really hope you're excited as I am. I cannot wait until this is done, and we haven't even really started. If you're interested in being a part of it, there's some applications to fill out. Or you can just send your comments, suggestions on the YouTubes or the Twitters, your map suggestions, and I will check them out, pass them along to the build team. I might even do a few episodes of me filling in like a floor or two. You know, I think that'd be kind of cool to watch. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I think it's gonna be worth it in the end. How is this happening right here? Oh, this is like a working map of some sort, because I see myself in the thing. That might change. I hope you guys are excited, and I'll see you in the next update. These F1 cars gotta go, man. This one's twin engine. Bye-bye.